All right, we have a prospermation. Prosperity comes to me in great avalanches of abundance. My life is so bright, I have to wear sunglasses. I know y'all heard that one before, right? So repeat after me. Prosperity comes to me in great avalanches of abundance. My future is so bright, I have to wear sunglasses, okay? Ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.